Hi everyone, this is Cindy Creating the Heart, and today I'm sharing a card that I'm making for the Fantabulous Cricut Challenge. And so the challenge this week is to make a sympathy card. It's one of those cards that you need to have in your stash, but you really hope that you don't need to use it. So I'm keeping it clean and simple. So I am using a white. So I'm going to start off with a white card base. And this is the stamp set that I'm going to be using. This is the Paper Smooches Sympathy Sampler. So it's very simple. It's just got a lot of very nice little sentiments in there that I think would suit, whether you want to send one that is a little bit more religious, you're in our prayers, or wishing you peace, or if you just want to send something that says heartfelt condolences, deepest sympathies. So these are all very nice sort of generic sympathy sentiments. I really like it because they're not super specific. So you could use these for, someone who loses a pet, for example. And I hope that these are hard to find. So hopefully, you'll take a look at that one. I really like it. So what I'm doing is you want to keep, these cards, they just need to be kept very simple. So I'm actually starting off with, this is a 5.5 by 4.25 card base that I actually cut quarter inch off, or as a panel, I should say. And then I used my Misty to stamp the With Sympathy from that stamp set, but I stamped it in Storm Cloud rather than black, just a little less harsh. And then, then you want to have maybe something very, very simple for your image. So I've seen butterflies, florals. I'm doing a floral. This is a hibiscus. I think it's a hibiscus. And this is from the, I think it's Tie the Knot cartridge. And I can't, oh, here it is. I'm like, where the heck is my glue pen? So basically, you want to keep it very simple. You don't need a lot of fuss on it, but doesn't mean it can't be, a pretty card. So I've done them with butterflies. This time I'm just going to do a floral. So there's this. And I'm just using my glue pen. And then it cuts these little leaves. So I got that one. And then let's see. Actually, I think I'm going to move this one over to this side because I don't have a lot of space on that side. So I'll do this one and I'll put this one on this side. And keeping it very, very simple. But they're good to have in your stash because nobody really wants to pull something out and make these, So what I'm going to do for my white panel, see if I can find my, where did it go? I was looking for my 3M tape. Everything's a mess over here. I've been doing a lot of creating lately, so everything, it's giant. What the heck did I do with it? Okay, well, I'm not gonna worry about it. So I'm gonna go ahead and just I've got some foam tape. I'll just use some foam tape. So I'm just gonna use my foam squares, but that's a pain. So I think that before I create some more, I am going to do a quick cleanup, because when I say it's a mess, I'm not exaggerating. It's like I could barely even sit in the spot, and the spot that you're seeing right now is all that's left of my desk. Everything is just covered. So I'm terrible at not putting things away when I am done crafting, because I just lost like a giant roll of foam tape, and that's like impossible. So I did the panel just on a little bit of foam. And so it's white on white, just very clean. And almost done. down like that. And then I just finish off with a tiny bit of stickles just around the edges of the flower. And that just makes it a little bit more special. And there we go. Just a clean and simple sympathy card that's, you need to have these in your stash. But there you go. Hopefully it gives you some ideas. Thank you for watching. This is Cindy with Creating with a Heart.